Tata Motors wants to purchase Ford India's electric car facility. Tata Motors Ltd, an Indian carmaker, has inked an agreement to possibly purchase a Ford motor manufacturing site in Gujarat, in the western state of India, as it tries to expand its electric vehicle production. The owner of Jaguar Land Rover already has a stranglehold on India's nascent electric vehicle sector, which the government is attempting to expand by providing firms with billions of dollars in incentives. The land, assets, and all qualified personnel working at the Sanand complex are all covered by the Memorandum of Understanding published on Monday. The agreement's financial terms were not made public. Tata said its electric mobility business will invest in new gear and equipment at the factory, which it hopes to have a manufacturing capacity of 300,000 units per year after the work is completed. It is possible to expand the capacity to over 400,000 units. Rising consumer choice for Tata Motors passenger and electric cars has resulted in multifold growth. This prospective deal would help capacity development, Shailesh Chandra, Managing Director of Tata Passenger Electric Mobility Ltd, said. Tata raised $1 billion from private equity company TPG last year for its electric vehicle division, which competes with Mahindra and Mahindra. The interest in the Sanand facility comes after Ford said last year that it will cease manufacturing in India, where it had a less than 2% market share and had struggled to generate a profit for more than 2 decades. Ford said earlier this month that it was looking for alternatives for its 2 facilities in India, as well as abandoning ambitions to produce electric cars for export.